Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. Today we're gonna make a video installing these LED bulbs on the Toyota pickup truck, and the hood's still not on, but we're gonna get to working on that in the next couple of videos. So I ordered these off of eBay. They were like 10 bucks, and it comes with the dome LED bulbs for up here, and some for like the license plates and stuff. So let's start with this one up here. We have to pop this cover off, and this light is off of a Ford Runner. So shit. Give me a second. Got it off. And this dome light or map light is off of a Ford Runner. So I went under a Ford Runner LED bulbs on eBay, and I came across this kit. So you just pop off the old bulbs, put the new ones in, and they do, if they don't turn on, you have to flip the LED bulb, and it should work. It's pretty simple. Put this one up here. Oh shit. So that one's done. I'm gonna put the cover back on. And make sure it's in place. So now let me move to the license plate bulbs. Okay, so back here on the license plate bulbs, it has two of these little clips. You just pull them, and then the whole assembly comes off. Turn it to the side, and the bulb should pop out. You pull out the old bulb, and now let me get some of the new ones real quick. Alright, so you just slide the bulb in place, and make sure to check that the light actually turns on. If not, you just take it back out and flip it the opposite way, slide it back in. So I'm gonna get to installing these two, and then I'll put you guys back on. So now I'm gonna move over to these corner lights, and they have a plug. Well, since I have these aftermarket fenders, it's easier to access them. Same thing, you just turn it to the side, pull it out, and you pull out the bulb. Then you get the LED and you put it back in. I'm gonna be using these for the corner lights. Slide it back in. And this is not for that. I think that's basically it. I'm gonna do the other side, and then I should be done. And this video was being recorded on my phone because the GoPro batteries are dead. So sorry about that. The quality's not as good as the GoPro. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Yonka_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below. And we'll catch you in the next one.